What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. What do you do when you have multiple electronic mouths to feed? Well, you get the iClever BoostCube series. This is a dual USB wall charger. Thought we'd check it out here because, as you know, it's really easy to, because that's all that comes in the box, have multiple devices, whether it is your cell phone, smartphone, your iPad or tablet, your headphones, your friend's cell phone, whatever. Man, plastic on here is kind of crazy. Nothing a knife can't fix. So what you're gonna want is something that can charge on multiple devices. And as you can see here, this little iClever device is only maybe, about 1.5 inches, 1.75 inches by these two dimensions, maybe 1 inch wide. Fold down prongs to plug in there. Looks like we have a little LED right here, and it says 2.4 amps for both USB ports right here. And that's actually really important because that means this little bad boy allows for effectively fast charging, which is really nice. So be able to plug this into here, charge up your phone, charge up your iPad, whatever, and it should be really, really quick. That's the nice thing. So I really like these because not only do they have kind of a high and fast output, but they're a lot cheaper than kind of the OEM equipment that you get when you buy your electronics, namely Apple. So listen, check this out. I'm gonna be testing this and I'm using it. That's why I got it. But if you want to pick one up yourself, you can follow the link in the description and get a good deal on one. Peter Von Panda out.